Bear Grylls Survival Ultimate Kit. It is one kit that contains all the items required for surviving on your own in the wild. Pulpless Barracuda LED torch. You can use this torch for up to 100 minutes depending upon the mode that you choose. This is Global Son Owen, which uses solar energy. You can boil water or cook food with this product. It has a built-in thermometer to regulate the heat level of the food. Lifesaver water bottle. This is a multi-level water filter that can remove dirt and bacteria from water. In short, it can clean any dirty water into usable drinkable water. Even though the quantity of water it can hold is only 800 ml. This water bottle can purify up to 4,000 liters of water. After that, you have to get a new one. Swedish feisty. This is a handy tool that can help you in surviving on your own. If you're in the wild and making fire is not that tough job anymore. You can use this device to light up in a few seconds. The advantage of this product is that it can work under any temperature and at any height. Number 7. Jack Survival Multi-Tool. Made up of non-corrosive material. It is one tool that has many purposes. Sun Rocket Solar Thermos. It is a product that works on solar energy and allows you to boil water while on the go. Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar, a hybrid Swiss watch that combines a traditional masterpiece with connected functionalities. This one has the potential to guarantee 6 months of autonomy due to its solar energy system. In addition, it has the particularity of having its own ultra-low power operating system. Survival Belt. As the name suggests, it does work in helping you survive when you're out there.